And it's interesting that Pisces is in Saturn, because Saturn is like, it's the yin yang of time. It's not Chronos, it's not Kairos, it's just potential. And we perceive everything through time and space and density, which Saturn rules. So Saturn's a very powerful planet, and it's very interesting that the Pisces, or the yin yang, is in Saturn right now, because that's the kind of polarities. It could be this or it could be that. And I think that it's very important that people tap into this kind of the more Kairos side of Saturn rather than the Chronos, because the powers that be certainly use Saturn. That's why the Saturn symbolism in everything. Like here in the UK, 90% of car makes have a Saturn symbol for their have a Saturn symbol. Like BMW is a timer. Nissan looks exactly like Saturn, and I think it's a very powerful energy. And I think that people need to tap into it rather than kind of thinking that it's death, and that, like, death in a negative sense. That is,
Right.
death is just transformation. I think Saturn is to do a very powerful transformations. So yeah, it's very interesting that, like, it's related to Pisces and the Christ, and just this is making so much sense. Like this graph, like there's lots of stuff I've been researching since around June or July, I think, to do with these two brothers, the twins. Like us going from a year 9 to a 10 or an X next year, and how crucial